First Solar is soaring. Demand of solar products is increasing. Meanwhile, many countries are giving incentives through regulations for further solar development in the world. And in the middle of this, First Solar's innovative cadmium telluride technology is giving thrust to its earnings. Due to this innovative technology, First Solar is able to produce lightweight and durable solar panels with increasing efficiency every now and then. Company is growing and its gross margins and net margins are also rising. In an article published on Seeking Alpha, an analyst, Mr. Oliver, highlights how management is aggressively expanding First Solar. He tells about its facility in India of 3.3 gigawatt capacity and further how global expansion and concerns about the climate change is favoring First Solar. Mr. Oliver further highlights the R&D efforts and tells about its CATL technology and how the company is expected to achieve 25% efficiency by 2025. In another article published by Simple Investment Ideas, AI prospects of First Solar are explored. The writer tells how the rise in AI and LLMs, large language processing models, has increased the demand for cheap energy generation. It further highlights how First Solar's cadmium telluride panels have most competitive advantage. It tells why cheap energy is very important for AI-driven data centers. Technical analysis of First Solar reveals an interesting picture. See, First Solar crossed the resistance of 220 with a large momentum candle, and below there was massive buying volume. First Solar remained doing accumulation in this zone for more than an year, but now it is ready to move into its advanced stage. Now, depending on the market situation and company's fundamentals, there are few possibilities how First Solar will behave in this zone. One possibility is First Solar comes back, retests this zone, and then moves higher. Another possibility is First Solar accumulates in this zone and then moves higher. But the most important thing that I'm sure there are least chances that First Solar will break this resistance below and move lower. This is a successful breakout, and I'm quite hopeful that First Solar with its increasing earnings will keep on fly higher and higher. This is weekly chart of First Solar, and it gives us more clarity about the behavior of First Solar. You see, it is moving in a channel. This is the channel resistance and this is the channel support. You see that First Solar is moving here. It is quite possible that it touches the resistance and then moves low and then moves high. Let's look at the income statement. Here see the revenue growth. The company is growing in double digits every quarter. Similarly, let's see the pre-tax income. In quarter 3 2022, the company's income was negative, and then there was a massive boost in the company's income. Similarly, the balance sheet of First Solar is also very impressive. See, every quarter company is growing its assets and the total equity of company is also improving. The company's total debt in relation to its assets is very low. See, 10 billion are total assets and 681 million only the total debt. Let's see now company's cash flow situation is also very good. Company is generating positive cash flow every quarter. However, the company's free cash flow is negative. And you know why? Company is massively investing in the expansion. Now let's look at the earnings and revenue surprises of First Solar. See, the company's future prospects here, you can see they are very good. Company's expected earning is higher in every year. And in the recent years, here you see that the company is giving positive surprises. Similarly, the revenue expectation is also better. But however, here you can see that the revenue surprises are slightly not good, but it is not much negative. They're almost close to the expected revenue. Now finally, let's see the expected earnings of First Solar in the recent quarters. Here you see 40%, 54%, 47%, 82%, 80%, 40%, 45%. The company's earnings expectations in the next quarters are very good. Let us do a quick CANSLIM analysis of First Solar. Current quarterly earnings 44%, take annual earnings 26%, take, and the new technology cadmium telluride. It is a unique technology that has given a competitive edge to First Solar. Moreover, companies expanding in the world. Take, in the technical analysis, you have noticed that there is massive accumulation happening, high volume. Take, RS rating is 95. Take, institutional buying, institutions are holding 90% of the stock, and while it is still increasing, take, there is positive direction of the market. So here you can see all the indicators of CANSLIM are giving positive prospects of First Solar in the future.